Magandang hapon po ng October 7, 2025 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 7, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 7, 2025. Ito po mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas. Ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later. For 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 7, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642 for Tuesday, October 7, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for October 7, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.